Titus predicts that... Assist in the defense of the bridge until you confirm that the Xenos Overlord has entered the kill zone. Then trigger the detonation. Delta Wing box check. Iridium here. Still on our gunship.
Talassa receiving. Commencing mission. Iron Halo ready.
Acknowledged. Proceeding to relay. Maintain Vox reports. Gamma clears out.
Utilize call for enemy backup. Elite level Xenos. Pacify. Intercepting projectiles. Oh, my arm! Kill confirmed. Major Tyranid threat. Tyranids approaching. Engage weapons. Enhanced tactic ready. Fragmentation grenades up! High priority Tyranid eliminated. Refilling magazines. Xenos countermeasures successful. Iron Halo online. Specialized bioform neutralized. You would think and no finer purpose. Advancing towards objective. Xenos counter successful. Throwing frag grenade. Kill confirmed. Major Tyranid threat. Enhanced tactic ready. Tyranid unit sighted. Specialized bioform neutralized. Iron Halo ready. Ammunition restocked. Keep Vox clear of chatter. Stims administered. Throwing fragmentation grenade. No additional threats incoming. Iron Halo online. High priority tyranny eliminated. Appear to be reining in your advance.
I do not wish to range too far ahead.
Your pace is adequate. Affirmative. Elite level Xenos. Pacified. Obtaining armaments. Ready for next encounter. Enhanced tactic ready. Site. Sourcing demolition war gear.
The Munitorum does not store explosives to Codex Astartes standards. Hope it's enough to demolish the bridge.
Xenos infestation advancing. Xenos countermeasures successful. Iron Halo ready. Engaging elite countermeasures. Kill confirmed. Major tyranny threat.
We still have support supply. We need more bombs.
Tyranny invasion. Thwarted. Demolition ready. Iron Halo online. Specialized bioform neutralized.
Support still required.
Charge primed. priority tyranny eliminated. Frag grenade deployed! New orders. Purge alien bioforms. Elite level Xenos. Pacified. Refilling magazines. Fragmentation device in play. Specialized bioform neutralized. Identify structural support for demolition. All tyranny combatants eliminated.
What supports still require preparation?
Support mined.
We are ready to ambush the target.
The Hive Tyrant will reach your position shortly. Join the Imperial Guard defenses up on the bridge and lure that Xenos Colossus into the kill zone.
Ammunition restocked. Iron Halo protocol in progress. Iron Halo ready. New park. Zoetrope contact. Ready anti-psychic tactics. Object identified. Astartes progenoid.
By the numbers, troopers!
Sir! Astartes! We were not expecting such illustrious company and... Probing strikes, my lords. It's the relay that's getting hammered right now.
Xenos Overlord is inbound. Prepare for intense combat.
That's news. Without armor support to tackle a target that big, we may have to bring down the supply bridge.
Charges are armed and in place.
Is this a withdrawal order? Negative. The objective is the Hive Tyrant, not the bridge. Defend this position until the Tyranid command unit is executed. Understood, my lord. May the Emperor guide our lasguns to your support. Incoming! Ready up, 8th. Show the Emperor's angels what we are made of.
They're making another push over the bridge. They're stacking up. Get a frag in there.
The Hive Tyrant is on its way, but there is a horde of Xenos between you and it. dig in for the long haul. You have its attention. It is moving to intercept. Applying more pressure. Enemies on our position. Keep your eyes peeled. The Xenos leader beast will be in visual range shortly.
Do not be deterred!
I've never seen such an atrocity.
Hold. Give the hive beast a moment. Detonate the charges now.
Brace for their charge. Talassa reporting. Xenos leader beast neutralized.
It is not dead.
Deploy tactic. Ramp.
The swarm would go feral without their connection to the hive mind, but their focus is still on the relay. Reports confirm the lieutenant's assessment. Enemy cohesion is still in full effect. That beast is not yet dead.
Confirmed.
We can hold this position, Lords. We're...
I would leave it to a lingering death under there were it not still directing the swarm.
Unique war gear radiates hope. Your point? Preparing for combat. Merely steadies my aim. Focus on objective. Press our advantage.
Pursue and eliminate. We will not have a better opportunity to finish it off.
Engage standard morale boost. For the Emperor! Refilling magazine. Enhanced tactic ready. Fragmentation grenade out! Execute Iron Halo tactics. Kill confirmed. Major Tyranid threat. Iron Halo ready. Packing up equipment. Stop target from Calling up fresh reserves. No lines of fire. Continue pursuit. Arrived at access point. We are committed to this course.
Talassa, report.
The vile Xenos slinks through the shadows. It will not escape judgment.
Talassa, you cut out. Repeat.
Vox signal negligible. Jamming, most likely.
Our duty remains unchecked.
Additional supplies secure. It has an escape route. Locate an exit. Enhanced tactic ready. Obtaining armaments. The Codex approves our tactics. Fire at will. Iron Haven online. Frag grenade deployed. Standard thanks. Offer. Administering aid. Xenos countermeasure. Enhanced tactic ready.
Creatures undergo kind of transformation.
Iron Haven ready. Intercepting projectiles. Leaving wounds. Throwing fragmentation grenades. Iron Haven online.